Hello and welcome. This is H's John teaching another Android Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about the APK. Now, what APK stands for is Android Application Package, and it's a file format that's used to distribute and install application software and middleware into Google's Android operating system. In other words, your Android phones. This is what they use. Now, there are two things you need to know about this. I think, at least. Well, three actually. It's basically a zip format, so that if you have a zipping program, you can usually open your APK file and see what's inside of it. You have to go into your phone, go to your menu settings. Okay, now in menu there will be something called settings usually, and under settings you'll find security. Now somewhere in security you should find and be able to check unknown sources. Now what this allows you to do, it allows you to use and install apps from sources other than the Google Play Store or whatever your Play Store is for your phone. This is pretty much a standard version of how to do this. And I will leave some links below about this so that you can read more about this to your heart's content. But it's really very simple. For the vast majority of people, this will be super easy. So that is one important thing that you need to know about this. You need to go into your phone and unlock the ability to use other locations. Number two, you need to know how to get to the APK in Android Studio. If you'll notice down here, I've opened the Gradle console. This allows you to see that I built successfully, and how you do that, you go to here and you can build APK, and it does that. And mine pops up a little show and explore button, and it's here in APK. And if you look here, it's should be in your Android Studio under the name of your project, app build outputs, and then APK. Now I chose the first one, and basically this is what I use. This is an APK. Now that's two things. Now the third thing is the absolute easiest way to do this, and I'm sure there's lots of others. This is the way I do it because it's so easy, is I email these things to myself over Gmail, and it automatically opens on my phone. Super easy. Now there are links below if this doesn't work for you that you can check out, but that's what I do. Matter of fact, I will put this copy of this APK, if you don't want to make your own, on my website, because it's only 1.4 megs, and then you can email it to yourself or to a friend using Gmail. Now, and this is how you open up these files on your phones. Now, I'm not saying this is the only way. Mine actually connects directly to my Android Studio through a USB cable. But if you've got a friend in Pakistan, or you've got a friend in London, or you've got a friend in the Philippines and they have an Android and they just don't have the ability to connect directly to your computer, you can always show off your work. Or more importantly, if you're up for a job interview and somebody says, well, that sounds like an interesting app you've made, why don't you send me the APK? That's how you do it. You can just email it to them, or you can put it on a drive and they can open it up themselves. But there you go. That's APK, and there'll be links below. And so now you know. Hope you learned something, and hope this is going to be useful to you. This is H's John teaching another Android Studio tutorial. See you around.